Hi, welcome to Swift Learning. In this episode, I would like to introduce you to our Mold Awareness Adaptive course from the HSC Certification Program. All our courses are mobile, so they can be accessed when you need it most, from the desktop to the tablet to your smartphone. Mold continues to be an issue for property owners and managers. Media attention has increased awareness and heightens concerns of tenants and the general public. Property management professionals and the maintenance groups who work hard to support them need to understand the issue of mold, what it is, how to prevent mold growth, and how to respond to a mold complaint. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to describe what mold is and what problems it creates, prevent mold from occurring in your workplace or community, and respond to residents with mold-related concerns. You will need approximately 1 hour to complete this course. Let's get started, and remember, swift learning equals swift success.